The morning after a cold snap can be disheartening for any gardener. You step outside, and the familiar green of your garden is replaced by drooping, darkened leaves. Resist the impulse to rush and fix the damage immediately. The first step is to observe. Walk through your garden slowly, taking a mental inventory. Notice which parts were hit hardest and which fared better. Look at the leaves. Some will be blackened and mushy, others just wilted. The garden tells a story about the frost's journey. Nature is resilient. What seems like a disaster may not be as bad. Frost damages the water within plant cells, causing them to rupture. Some plants cope remarkably well, with roots and stems intact. Your role is to be a detective, gathering clues before acting. Check potted plants carefully. Containers are more exposed to cold. Gently tip a smaller pot to see if the root ball is frozen. Understanding root conditions is as important as observing leaves. This patient inspection forms the foundation for recovery. Remember, calm assessment is key. After surveying, the urge to prune wilted leaves is strong. However, waiting is crucial. A wilted leaf isn't necessarily dead. Plants can recover once warmed. Damaged leaves still protect the plant from further cold. After a day, true damage becomes clearer. Remove leaves that are black or brown and slimy. Some wilted foliage may perk up and contribute to recovery. Waiting allows the plant to show what's viable. Observe the weather forecast. Another frost may require leaving damaged foliage. Patience is a gardener's greatest tool. Wait, watch, and act with knowledge. This approach respects the garden's rhythms. After a day or two, perform a detailed assessment. Move from detective to triage nurse, deciding what can be saved. Start with the worst-looking plants. Distinguish between superficial leaf damage and structural damage. For perennials, check the crown for firmness. Cut back blackened top growth to protect from fungal diseases. For woody plants, check stem integrity by scraping bark. Prune back to healthy tissue to encourage new growth. For evergreens, trim damaged tips but avoid major reshaping. The goal is strategic trimming for long-term health. Careful pruning is vital for recovery. Focus on ensuring plant health, not perfection. This step is crucial for the garden's recovery. Prune with care and knowledge. Protect surviving plants from another cold night. Use simple materials like plastic bottles or cardboard boxes. Create a pocket of trapped air around the plant for insulation. For small plants, use a plastic bottle cloche. For larger plants, use a cardboard box overnight. Remove covers in the morning to prevent overheating. This nightly routine can make a difference. Simple protection can ensure survival. Create larger shelters using repurposed materials. Old sheets or blankets can cover a frame over plants. Ensure fabric doesn't touch foliage to prevent frost transfer. Bubble wrap is a great insulator for pots and frames. Foam insulation board can create temporary cold frames. Group pots together against a warm wall for shared microclimate. Simple acts can significantly increase survival chances. Look around. Solutions are often right there. Use what you have creatively. Use a heat rock tray for extra pot protection. Place dark stones in a tray to absorb sun heat. Arrange pots on stones. They radiate warmth at night. This creates a warmer microclimate around plants. It improves drainage and prevents waterlogged roots. A simple, passive method to protect cherished plants. Think about the future while nursing damaged plants. Choose cold, hardy crops that thrive in cool soil. Sow Claytonia lamb's lettuce or arugula for winter harvests. Use simple cloches or fleece for encouragement. Hardy spinach and winter lettuces are great choices. Oriental greens add flavor and are fast-growing. Sowing seeds is an act of optimism and renewal. Fill empty spaces with the promise of a winter harvest. Embrace the opportunity to grow something new. Focus on long-term recovery and root strength. Use weak seaweed feed or diluted compost tea for a boost. Encourage root growth without forcing top growth. Move pots to warm spots and ensure good drainage. Apply mulch to insulate roots and improve soil health. Strengthening roots is an investment in future resilience. Protecting soil and roots ensures garden health. A frost isn't defeat, it's part of nature's cycle. Gardens bounce back, and setbacks teach valuable lessons. Use this experience to become a better gardener. Recovery brings joy. New growth is a testament to resilience. Your garden evolves and tells a story of survival. Challenges make gardening interesting and rewarding. Tidy up, protect, sow seeds, and trust the process. The cycle of growth and renewal continues. Your garden will recover, and so will your spirits. Gardening promises enduring hope and renewal.